Hey guys, Tony here. We're going to do a quick video on doing a DVD install on a 07 GX470. So first, move the seat as far forward as you can. Turn the ignition on. Underneath the seat here, you'll see the compartment here. This is the tray. So I've already got a flashlight here. You pop off, push down on the clips, lift up. Then here you'll see an arrow pointing to the left. Slide this over to the left. That will open. The label faces up. So this is the one I'm taking out. U37. So I'm putting in U41. Label up again. Put it in. Slide over the door. And if we look, we'll come up to the dash. And it will register and it'll come up. System loading. So I'm trying to do a quick install for you guys to make it really simple. So again, ignition on, passenger seat forward, and underneath the seat you'll pop off that little compartment. Then you slide that lever out. DVD will come out, put the new DVD in, label up, and that's it. So, and for the most part, that is it for the install. So hopefully you guys will have no problems, and thanks for watching.